Hi guys, Nicole here. We have just checked into the Point A hotel in Glasgow and we're staying in room 131. Let's come to a room tour. So as soon as you walk in you'll see that there's a mood lighting and temperature control. It tells you a wee welcome to your room, about some things. It shows you where your emergency exits are if anything. You do put your key in here which will start the air conditioning up there, but you've also got a mood lighting sort of thing here, which you just touch that and oh, it changes the mood lighting. So this is the bathroom. There's my partner Anthony. There's a nice shower. Look at that, it's nice, isn't it? If you're wee big mirror, your toilet there, and then you've got a door. If you come over here you've got a chair which you can sit on, which is quite nice. Your remote controls in there with your telly. Nice big double bed with another mirror up here, which is quite nice. You've got loads of shelves, handy things to put your things in, a hairdryer, a safe, a bin. Oh, a wee pull down table and then another mirror, and you've got your plug sockets there. So we're staying here for one night and this is your bathroom, which is quite nice, and then there's also a mirror on your door. I think that's quite nice. What do you think, Anthony?
Love the colours and I love the...
So if you change this, guys, look. Oh my god, you could have a party in here.
You can have a disco.
Oh wow, brilliant.
Some disco dance.
See you later, guys.